Hello there, YouTube. TechSavagepro here. I hope that you've been having a fantastic day. And as you can tell from the title and the screen, I'm going to be showing you another video on the Roku TV or your Roku device. Of course, I did recently make another video on Roku TVs, but I kind of like doing these videos. I also mentioned that in the last video, but this is kind of off of a tangent on the last one. I showed you how to play the original or classic Nokia Snake game. That is pretty fun whenever you're bored, or just it's really cool because it's a Roku, it's your TV, and you can play games on it. It's honestly a pretty neat feature that a lot of people don't know about, but then again, there's always those games that aren't good at all, but for some reason they were developed. Keep in mind, developing a game does take time, especially when there's a lot of animations and things like that. But today, I'm going to be showing you the greatest game of all time, the fidget spinner game. So, of course, if you haven't seen my last video, go ahead and watch that. It'll show you the way to install games, or really any app from the Roku channel store. So go ahead and watch that. But basically, rundown is go to the website or the app, make sure that you're logged in, and then head over to the channel store, install whatever you want. In this case, we're going to be playing Fidget Spinner Free, which is a game on the Roku channel store. So we're going to go ahead and click that. And then once it loads, you get a pretty simple looking interface. You get the name of the game, a fidget spinner of course, and then a start button. Well, as soon as you click it, it like is a horrible spammed interface. There's a red bar, and I just lost. Of course it does work with the regular controller, but it's so glitchy. It's a horrible game. Why was this ever made? Honestly, I don't care how much you love your fidget spinner. Don't get your fidget spinner on your Roku TV. It's not a good idea. I'm pretty sure this Roku game has a virus in it. I may sound like hilarious or like sarcastic, but I'm not kidding. This is a horrible application. It's dangerous looking, it's glitchy, it is hilarious. I'm not gonna lie. But why was this made? I mean, seriously, just look at the mechanics of the game. It's no logic. What does the red bar even mean? What is the goal of this game? I automatically lose. My best score, whatever that is 2. How do you have a score on a fidget spinner? What? And then if you look up the spins, there's some glitched number that looks like it says 00L overlaid with like a D or a 0 or something. It's not even a number. Again, guys, don't download this. Don't do it. It's dangerous. It's horrific. This is a developer's nightmare come to life and then reincarnated into something far more worse. Don't do it. Another preview. Also, I'm clicking it and it's not working. I told you. It's a horrible app. But I told you, it's a horrible, horrible app. Don't get it. But I hope you have liked this video. I thought you would think that it's kind of funny and slightly humorous, but in all seriousness, I may be starting a series where I just make fun of really bad applications or apps. I may do this on iOS, Android, things like that. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see more videos like this. If you have any video ideas, I'm still working on a Roku video idea that somebody suggested, so I gotta do research on that, but I do take suggestions. Of course, comments are very helpful for me, so if you want to tell me something, feel free, drop it in the comments. If any of you have problems, just drop it down in the comments and either me or someone else will gladly help you. And as always, subscribe, comment, and like. Share the video with someone that you love, and tomorrow morning you'll wake up with $1 million and you'll have a Bugatti. But as always, peace out. See you next time.